past couple of years, smartphone keyboards have improved a lot. Every smartphone manufacturer has their own version of the virtual keyboard. I have used a lot of keyboards in Android phones, including one keyboard in Windows Phone. But this keyboard has amused me so much that the other keyboards haven't. This keyboard has the potential to do tasks better than the competition and has some underrated features which I'll talk in this video. So let's get to the keyboard itself. First, the design layout. It looks very simple. Just by looking at it, you will feel that it looks like any other keyboard. What's so special about it? Yes, this is what Google does. It keeps the look simple and hides all the bells and whistles in the form of Easter eggs. So the design looks very simple. Then you see this touch bar type of shortcut menu right here. I like these 4 shortcuts. Personally, you can choose any one between the 10 shortcuts available. It's all personal preference. These are the main key elements of the keyboard. This is search. You can literally search anything like you search in Google. This shows the search results that you can share it anywhere. It gives the option to share the card or just the link. No need to go to the actual search and then sharing anything. Next is the translate. This is the actual Google Translate integrated right into the keyboard. I think no other keyboard does this. You can translate from any language to any language. You don't need a separate Google Translate app on your phone. I'm typing in English and the text is appearing in Spanish. You can select any language you want and no need to copy the translated text and paste it. Translated text directly appears in the text box as you type. See for yourself. See, no hassle of copy, paste, but it needs an active data connection to work. The next big thing is clipboard. It stores all the copied text. You can copy or cut as many words as you want and you can find them in the clipboard. This is a new feature that the copied text pops up in the touch bar to paste it effortlessly. Next, the GIF. You can search the GIF if you want, or there are already many categories you can select in any one of them. If you open the GIF section, you will find the emoji and the sticker section. There is also a direct shortcut for that. Now, if you hit the 3-dot menu, you will find more shortcuts. There are one-handed mode. In this, you can make your keyboard small to the right hand side or the left hand side. To use it in one hand, as the name suggests, one hand mode. Next up is the floating keyboard. Literally, you can place the keyboard anywhere on the screen based on your convenience. Next, the theme. Everybody likes to customize their keyboard. You can change the theme with a lot of options. If you want borders for the keys, themes is the place to go. While applying a new theme, it asks you if you want key borders or not. You can enable it or disable it. You can even place your own photo as the background. Now, the text editing. If you want to move the cursor, just use the arrows. If you want to select the text, just tap on select and use the arrow keys to select it. It gives you full control over the text and the cursor to select, move the cursor, cut, copy, paste, etc. Okay, that's a lot of features, don't you think? Yes, it's a lot, but there's more. Now I'll tell you all the bells and whistles. Google has left it up to you to find out. Let's see them. The first one is to move the cursor using the spacebar. Just slide left or right on the spacebar to move the cursor. Then bulk delete using the backspace key. Tap and swipe left on the backspace key to select multiple words and release the key to delete the selected text. And if you want to capitalize any letter in between the sentence, just tap and swipe the shift key to that relevant letter like this. You can do the same for any number and symbols. Last but not least, voice typing. It works most of the time based on the data connection and speed. Do subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Open bracket, just kidding, close bracket. Laughing emoji. Now that you have got to know about this keyboard, go ahead and install it. The link is given in the description. Explore it. If you find some new features, comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.